Guys, Simone the Coffee Girl here, back again to show you how to shop. So we are signed in, and on the home page we can choose our products either through the drop down tab here, or just keep on the home page with our most popular feature products if you're wondering which one to buy. I'm going to try the Boab coffee, and I'll have a fine grind for my espresso maker and add it to my cart. Now here you can proceed to checkout, or you can continue shopping. I'm just going wild today and I'm going to continue shopping. So I will go to try our new coffee pods, and there's a reason for that. They're hand blended, roasted and packed in Broom. They're very cool, Nespresso compatible. I'm going to go the black pods because they're hot chocolate pods and you can mix them with your espresso, and they're named after my dog Coco, the coffee dog. So I have a special love for these pods. I'll get 25. I could subscribe, but I'll show you that in another video. Add to the cart. Here we go. So we can proceed to the checkout now. And here's where you check your order summary on the right. Boab coffee, hot cocoa chocolate capsules, and if you have a gift certificate or a coupon code, you enter it here. I don't have one today. Also, you can edit your cart here. So click on edit your cart and you think, heck, I'll get 2 Boab coffees because I want to give one to my friend. Again, here you can enter your coupon code. So there's 2 places you can enter your coupon code, but I don't have one, so I'm just going to check out. Because I've signed in and got my account, there is my address already locked in, and because my total order is over $50, it's free shipping. If you live in Broome, you can select home delivery, you can select pick up from the roasting shed, or you can pick up from the Broome markets. So you've got a few options there. And in the comments, if you've got any special comments or anything you'd like to say, you can put that in here. I'm just going to go and leave a message for Mark the Coffee Man and tell him he is awesome, because we all need to make each other feel happy and loved. Then we get to the payment section, and you can choose credit card, PayPal, lots of other payment options there. There's also the PayPal Pay in 4 and the Afterpay. If you're doing a big order, say you're stocking up on Boab coffee for presents, or it's a bigger order than normal, then you can pay in 4 installments. Then you place the order. Once you place the order, we will send you an email confirming your order. And once we roast it and pack it, we take it down to Broome Post Office, where they send a tracking number to your registered mobile number. So make sure that your mobile number is correct. As always, email me if you have any questions, hello@kimberleycoffee.com.au. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you soon.